What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday, it's beautiful, it's early morning, it's kind of cold outside, so what better way to start it off with a how-to video? And today, I'll show you how to protect your camera's LCD screen. That's right, when you buy these cameras, it's super important to protect these screens on the back. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, guys, the first thing you have to do is buy a screen protector for your particular camera. We used Expert Shield glass screen protector. We're not affiliated with them. We don't do any promos for them. I just found this online on Amazon. It was cheap, easy to install, had great reviews. It had some reviews saying it was difficult to install, but it's probably user error, I'm guessing, because I installed it really easy. Also has two in here. It's 2-pack, so you use one for a while. I'll show you. On here, you can see, you can't even tell I have it on here, by the way. So after a couple of years, it eventually does crack. The protector itself, you can peel it off, take it off, clean this, put a new one on. So we've got two of these. So 2 for the price of 1, can't beat that. On their website, they do have multiple sizes for multiple different camera LCD screens. But make sure you put one of these on here. It's super important. It's really easy to do because trying to, replace this is gonna be expensive. 200 bucks probably, I would imagine, at least 200 to repair this. So just put on your screen protector. And by the way, you should have a strap connected to your camera. You'll never drop your camera that way. And I have a video right here showing you how to connect this thing. So put your strap on your camera, put it around your neck, and you won't have to worry. But just in case, have the protector on too. And it's good for scratches and dust and all that stuff too. This is the Expert Shield glass protector for your LCD screen. This protector works for the A7R III model. The Expert Shield glass protector includes 2 screen protectors, a microfiber cloth, and instructions. And this screen protector retails for $19.95. So first thing you want to do is clean your LCD screen really well. Remove any oil, smudges, dirt, or dust. Next, place the protector over the screen and tape it like this. The tape will act as a hinge. Okay, I put the tape on here for the hinge. As you can see, it's lined pretty good there. I'm going to make sure this aligns really well. And I used just some masking tape. I've read other comments. People said that some tapes didn't work well. This does. It's hinging, as you can see. It's going back into place exactly where I want it to cover the entire screen. It is straight. That's the most important thing. Also, make sure back here behind is super clean, and they do give you a microfiber cloth. We're going to clean that one more time before we actually adhere this. So I want to show you exactly here. But yeah, I would use this if you won't damage your plastic on your, or leaving residue on your camera. Some of this tape right here might, I don't know if I would use this packing tape. It does leave a residue, I think, so you don't want to do that. Okay, we have the water on in the bathroom, steaming up the bathroom, just to make sure there's no dust in the air. One more time, we'll make sure there's no dust. I don't see any. This screen's pretty new. Always kept it very clean, but we want to get the oils off of here and any dust. And have the parents tape here, so we can just do this. There. There. Let's go along all those edges here. Just make sure we got nothing. Should pick up everything. Go ahead and apply. One more time. Double check the hinge. Make sure it goes down exactly the way we want it. Looks perfect. Now, we're gonna pull this slowly. So now we're going to lay it down slowly. Like that. Now we're just going to rub it a little bit, get all the bubbles out. See those moving now? They're all moving out to the edge. Over here. Now let's go ahead and take this tape off on the side. So, that. And we're going to push everything out, all the air bubbles out. And that looks really, really, really good. There's nothing there. You can see this angle. You see nothing. There's not dust. There's no oils. No dust, oils. It's perfect. That's how you apply it. It's very simple. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Have an awesome day. And make sure you subscribe to keep this channel alive. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.